What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how long the factory OEM brake pads last on a Toyota with average daily driving. So this is the replacement. I just put a new front brake pads in this minivan. It's a 2016, so this is the replacement. It's Advanced Auto Parts gold premium brake pads. It's the ceramic ones. They were like $70, and this is the ones that I removed, the original ones. So there is anything, if anything is left on this brake pads, it's just like 1,000 miles or so, I would say. Okay, so this is the original one. This is the other side. This was squeaking. Okay, this was squeaking, so these tell you that your brake pads needs to be replaced very soon. So this was squeaking pretty loud, so I got them replaced. And this minivan has $38,434 miles, so just about 40,000 miles. If I waited, I would say if I would have waited for these brake pads to completely wear out, I would have get 40,000 miles out of them. So there you go. This is how long the genuine original OEM factory Toyota brake pads last from factory on an average daily driver. So I wouldn't say it's too bad, but I would say maybe they should have lasted a little bit longer. I've seen a Ford original brake pads been replaced at 90,000 miles, which is almost double the miles. So yep, with that being said, I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.